We could do audio real quick.
Okay, Sarah, we are in the Church of the Flagellation. That means where they whipped Jesus. And of course, we just went to Ecce Homo, where supposedly he was tried, maybe where he was beaten there, but now here's another spot where he was beaten. And of course, where did this come from? We need to ask.
Yeah, where did it come from?
Do you know how long it's been that way, where you have 14 stations of the cross? Not long is the answer. The 1800s. In the 1800s, Franciscans decided we've got to provide
What people
places,
want to see.
what they want to see. That's the whole thing. And so they set up these stations, 14 stations, to take people from here up to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. And of course today, I think everyone believes that those are the actual places where those things happen. Not everyone, but some. Many within several different denominations. Yeah. But
It's not true.
it's not true. It's not true. Tradition.